Welcome to Worldside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 1985 911 Carrera 3.2 Cabriolet fitted with 5-speed manual gearbox. It's a right-hand drive car finished in Prussian Blue metallic paintwork with Metropole Blue leather upholstery, Metropole hood and Metropole tonneau cover. Walking around the car you can see the car gleams from top to bottom. The Fuchs alloys are all in perfect condition and it's got a recent set of Bridgestone tyres on it. Panel gaps are good. Everything is nice on the car. Great value summer motoring out of this right hand drive 3.2. There you are, sits very nicely. We'll go down, low down on some of the panels so you'll be able to zoom in and just see how nice it is. Great driver quality. The car has obviously had some restoration over the years. We know from the history file that this included a retrim in 2007, which was obviously done to a very high standard, with all door panels, door cards, leather upholstery, all being in very nice presentable condition. No cracks on the dashboard. It has been fitted with a modern Bosch stereo unit there. Carpet's all good. Front and back. Rear seats in nice condition. It has got rear seat belts also. Take you around to the driver's side. Again, condition nice. Door card's good. Quite nice and tidy around the door shuts and the sill trims. Again, the leather in nice condition. It has been used. Slight little bits of wear marks, but very good quality leather, showing hardly anything. 4-spoke steering wheel, correct for the year. 5-speed gearbox. These cars are 230 odd brake horsepower, 5.5 seconds 0 to 60. Mileage on this car is showing 72,000 miles. Great service history with it. Tonneau cover, matching blue, in good condition too. Under the luggage compartment, the front of the car obviously. The original manufacturer data label there. Again, nicely carpeted out. Underneath the carpet, got the run flat tyre. There is some goo and the tools are there with it. Original tool roll with the car. Original book packs with the car also. Just a quick glimpse under the engine bay. Fuel injection 3.2 engine. Not being detailed but in nice clean condition. Anyway, so if you are interested in one of these for the summer, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or go on the website worldsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you. Okay, here's the small video of the 911 with the soft top up. Car looks just as good. As you'll see in a moment, we'll close in on the soft top. You'll see how nice condition it's in. And the glass, which is obviously unzips and folds down. Metropole Blue to match the interior. Great condition, very clear perspex. Fits nicely. So there we have it. Thanks for looking. If you are interested, give us a call, 01507 606 725 or walsideclassics.co.uk. Right, we'll just take you off the road in this 85 911 Carrera 3.2 Cabriolet. Lovely summer day. Pulling strong through the gears in 4th gear now. Through to 5th. The car has benefited from a recent gearbox overall and a new clutch to the tune of £4,000. There should be no problems there. Behaving very well in traffic, steering dead straight ahead. As we brake for the roundabout a moment ago, no juddering from the brakes. Top gear now, 55 mile an hour. Coming down the gears, 4th gear, 3rd gear, pulled strong. So there's no gearbox noises or anything, no bearing noises. Car drives very well indeed. Great value 911 Cabriolet this. Shame to miss out the last couple of months of summer. So if you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website walsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again.